We are back with the focus. There's something we need to fix about the car again, but fortunately it's nothing major, something minor. As you can see, the front headlight of the car. So one side is working, but the other side is not. Yeah, I hate it when something is asymmetrical like this. So let's get it done today. And of course, not just for preference and visual purposes, for safety, because one headlight is definitely not bright enough. That is why we must fix it. Okay, so this is the bulbs that I bought from AliExpress, and for anyone wondering that is it worth it or is it good or legit to buy from AliExpress, so hopefully this review or this fix on the light will help you. So this is the packaging. So instead of unboxing, it's more like unwrapping, and I bought two things together. One is my helmet visor because it was scratched when I dropped the helmet, and secondly the light bulbs, the D3S or the D3R HID, replacing the xenon lights. So I will unwrap this. So two packages. This I believe is the visor. I will leave it for another video when I do the visor replacement, and this should be the headlight bulbs. So hopefully for the front headlights, it's not that the whole harness or the ECU is damaged, but rather just the bulb. So I will replace it. The box is not too bad, the packaging wise, and this is just a unit that I bought. And let's start with removing the headlights from the car, and we'll go step by step. In order to remove the headlights, of course the front hood need to be open, and unlike most of the car, or at least for Focus RS, the latch is on the passenger side. So here, down the foot area, and then we will open the hood up. If you look at here, in order to remove the headlight units, this is one of the torque spoke. I believe it's T50, one here and one there. So we just have to remove these, and the headlight should come off by pulling it outward, like towards this direction. My bad, it's not actually T50, it's T30. So T30 will work. Yeah, it's T30. Now that the headlight is out and disconnected, we just have to remove this rubber seal where the main beam light bulb is. And here you go. I already replaced it before, so maybe it's not working now. I just have to unplug this one and then turn it and pull it out. That's the uninstallation, and we will do it the other way around. Twist it, plug it back in, and it should be done. Let's hope for the best. Okay, so after unplugging the headlight, it seems like this one is burnt because it seems a bit copperish or brown. And this is the attachment that we need to remove, the black one. So it's a T15 torque spoke. We will remove it and transfer it to the new bulb. Once you remove the two T15, this thing should just slide out like that, and then this part should also just slide out. You can push it a little bit, give it a little bit of a push. Yes, like that, it's out. And then we just have to transfer to the new bulb. There's a rail, so if you just follow it, it's not too hard. And then just clip it back in, and then put back the T15. So remember, the opening is the same with the plug. Then just slide it back in, I'm having trouble sliding this in. Okay, now it's in, and then just have to put a T15 back. That's it. So when you put it down, just remember when you put it down, you have to unlock this. So unlock this, so you slide it down and lock it up. Like that, the bolt will stay in place. Alright, let's put it back. It's like 40 minutes job and it's all done. Fixed. Both headlights changed. Car is all fixed and ready to go. If you like more short video like this and yet helpful, please press the like button and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace.